I'm Jeff Hopkins. I'm the operations manager for Jewell Mechanical. Been with Jewell for a little over 10 years, been in the business since 1984. Did a lot of service work. We've grown into quite a large commercial construction. We also have plumbing service. We have a residential HVAC company also. We do a lot of dentist office, medical office buildings and all, and VRF is becoming more and more the norm and not the exception. Before, it was very expensive, one-to-one systems. They were limited on how large a project you could do. Now, pretty much the sky is the limit. The efficiency of VRF, no conventional system can compare to it, even the higher SEER conventional systems. When we first started this, we had a couple of ductless systems on the plans. As we got talking with the owners, looking for their vision of what they wanted here, we quickly realized that the ducted systems that they were trying to use with the existing units was not going to work. As you can see, there's multiple TVs, and we kept hearing the phrase line of sight, line of sight. So we looked at what we could do on the VRF side, eliminate a lot of duct so that they could have all the TVs and neon and everything that goes with bar stools. Feedback so far has been, it's great. We had all of the patio doors out here open fully, and I went in and checked during the height of it was 73 degrees here, so it was very nice. When we decided to go to the VRF, lead times for any equipment was very long. This was on a very tight schedule to get completed. I reached out to Tom Barrow. Joe says, I have what you need. Ended up giving him a PO, and he told me it'd probably be 2 weeks before we had equipment, and I think in 4 or 5 days I had the first piece of equipment, and that helped out a lot. Availability wasn't the only factor. I did some research and found out how long the GREE had been doing this. I was quite comfortable with the quality and the performance. The support has been awesome. Between Tom Barrow and GREE, it's been a painless process. We had some newer guys trying to get some programming done. We called GREE, that was taken care of. It feels great in here. I mean, what was it today? 90 degrees, it's great in here.